Exercise 1. Seated twist. Rectus abdominis. External oblique. Abdomen. Seated twist. Sit on the floor with both the legs stretched in such a way that it forms the V shape. Now open both the arms and stretch both the hands properly. Thereafter, touch the toe with an alternate hand. Hold the position for a few seconds, then change the side. Make sure that your legs should be straight. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 2. Iron cross legs. External oblique. Abdomen. Gluteus medius. Iron cross legs. Lay down on the floor with both the hands in a straight line to the shoulder. Stretch both the hands and palm touching the floor. Now lift one leg vertically upward and place on the other side. Make sure that your other leg should be straight and placed near the stretched hand. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 3. Chin to chest. Rectus abdominis. Chin to chest. Sit down on the floor, placing both legs at some distance apart and stretched. Now keep your back in a straight line. Keep both the hands behind the head. Thereafter, push your upper body and try to hold another position for a while, then back to the initial position. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 4. Standing side bend. External oblique. Abdomen. Standing side bend. Stand straight with both legs placing apart at a short distance. Stretch one hand vertically upwards. Now bend the upper body to the other hand side. Make sure that the elbow of the stretched hand should be slightly bent. Try to hold the position with slight jerking. Also, feet should not be raised. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 5. Sit-ups on the ball. External oblique. Abdomen. Rectus abdominis. Sit UPS on the ball. Place the exercise ball right on the center of the back. Lay down on the ball in such a way that your back should be aligned with the ball. Now fold both the hands from the elbow and place behind the head. Now perform the sit-ups on the ball. Keep one thing in mind, that the body balance should be maintained on the ball and it should be stable. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 6. Spinal stretch on ball. External oblique rectus abdominis. Spinal stretch on ball. Sit on the exercise ball with straight back. Fold both the hands from the elbow and place them behind the head. Now try to touch the knee of the other leg with the alternate elbow. Do the same with the other elbow. This constitutes a side crunch movement. Make sure that the ball should not move and try to maintain balance. Maintaining balance is key in this exercise. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 7. Twisting crunches. External oblique abdomen. Twisting crunches. Stand near the machine face opposite to the direction of the machine. Stretch out your one leg forward. Now turn around and hold the cable with both hands. Shift your weight forward and pull it down towards the stretched leg. Now slowly shift to the initial position. This complete cycle can be repeated from the other side too. Make sure that your elbow must be straight while performing the pull. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 8. Side bridge. External oblique abdomen. Rectus abdominis. Raised hand crunches. Lay down on the floor in a sit-up position. Now stretch both the hands towards the knee. Now try to reach by twisting the body from the center on both sides. Make sure that your hips should not raise while performing the crunches. Resting time.
10, 9,
Next
8,
exercise.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 9. Vertical leg raise. Rectus abdominis. External oblique abdomen. Vertical leg raise. Place your body aligned with the machine. Grip both the handles and raise your lower body in the air. Now bend your knees and move upwards parallel to the ground. Make sure that your legs should be in the air, above the ground, and back should be straight.